The power of positive thinking is a vital aspect of personal development. Positive thinking is the practice of focusing on the positive aspects of our lives, rather than dwelling on the negative. It is a mindset that allows us to see opportunities rather than obstacles, and to believe in our ability to achieve our goals. Positive thinking can greatly impact our ability to achieve our goals and aspirations. When we focus on the positive, we become more motivated and optimistic, which in turn can lead to increased productivity and success. Positive thinking can also affect our overall well-being and satisfaction. When we have a positive outlook on life, we tend to have better mental and physical health, and we are more likely to form strong relationships with others. One of the most important things when it comes to positive thinking is to develop a positive self-talk. Self-talk refers to the internal dialogue that we have with ourselves. It is important to be aware of our thoughts and to make sure that they are positive, rather than negative. Negative self-talk can be detrimental to our well-being and can prevent us from achieving our goals. To develop a positive self-talk, it is important to practice positive affirmations and to surround ourselves with positive people and positive messages. Another important technique for positive thinking is to practice gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of being thankful for what we have, rather than focusing on what we lack. By focusing on the things that we are grateful for, we can shift our mindset from negative to positive. We can practice gratitude by keeping a gratitude journal, where we write down things that we are thankful for, or by sharing our gratitude with others. Visualization is another powerful technique for positive thinking. Visualization is the practice of creating mental images of our goals and aspirations. By visualizing our goals, we can create a mental blueprint of what we want to achieve, and this can help us to stay motivated and focused. To visualize our goals, we can create a vision board or a mind map, which is a visual representation of our goals and aspirations. In conclusion, positive thinking is a vital aspect of personal development. It can greatly impact our ability to achieve our goals and aspirations, and can affect our overall well-being and satisfaction. To develop positive thinking, it is important to practice positive self-talk, gratitude, visualization, and to surround ourselves with positive people and positive messages. By doing so, we can create a positive mindset that will help us to achieve our goals and aspirations, and lead a more fulfilling life.